What is up, guys? Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog, and today we are going to be going to my buddy Freddie's shop. He wants to go to Coffee and Cars, so we're gonna go ahead and go over there. I didn't put my wheels on my truck. I still have them on the extended cab, so I wanted to take this truck with my wheels, but you know, I didn't have enough time. I didn't know we were going till like really late last night, so I'm actually going to be taking one of his trucks. So I don't know which one I'm taking yet. We're going to find out once we get there. Also, I am actually recording on the GoPro 11. I went ahead and got the GoPro 11 Creator Edition. The reason why I went with the GoPro, my stuff is my camera is obviously bigger than a GoPro. Sometimes when I go out to events, I have to find somewhere to put my camera so I can eat, or I always have to be holding it. So I always have to have one hand on it. With the GoPro, I actually was helping out Manuel from Midnight record some stuff, and he had a GoPro and he was using a GoPro. When I would record it, obviously it was easy just to, you know, push record and start recording him. When I didn't have to hold it, I would just put it away, and I really liked that. I had a hoodie, I put it in my hoodie, and I didn't have to keep holding it, so I really like that. Also, the video quality is very good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be shooting on the GoPro 11 Black this whole video, so let me know what y'all think. And honestly, guys, if y'all like it, if you want to start vlogging, this is not a bad first setup. I have already been vlogging for a while, and I can tell y'all guys, it's a good little setup so far. Like I said, I got the Creator Edition, so mine comes with the little stick. Also, you can record and stop your video with the stick, the mic, and then the light on the top. So before, I would have to record at night and I would have to hold a phone with the light or a flashlight, and it was just hard because it just took both of your hands. With this little setup, I can easily just hit the little top light and it's there. Guys, we're gonna be trying it out. Hopefully I'll like it, but right now let's go ahead and get over to Project Torque and catch up with the other guys. Damn, you're taking a full-blown race truck.
Driving. You want to drive this one?
Nah, hell no, you driving this one. Damn, that's crazy. Hey, just so everybody knows, it's a street truck, you know? ¿Cuánto vas a llevar tú, vale?
No sé, la que sea.
La que sea, ¿verdad? La que caiga. ¿El tiburón no te lo vas a llevar?
Está en la casa, vale.
Alright guys, this is actually Freddie's race truck. This truck is crazy fast. This truck has made an 8-second pass. With Freddie driving. So Freddie's gonna be taking that one. I wanna go ahead and help him out, watch this truck. We'll see what truck I end up taking, but man guys, that's crazy. Taking a full-blown race truck up there. Alright guys, we're inside the shop. Damn guys, this is C10 Freddie just got. Super sick. Y'all make sure y'all go check out the video on this truck. And he does some crazy burnouts. Also check out his page. He has a badass reel on this truck. Damn guys, that's sick. Got the SS Clone right here. Turbo truck now. It was supercharged, it's turbo now. Super sick truck. This is a burnout truck, aka the OG. Look at that guys. Beds busted up. Freddie goes all out on this truck every time he takes it to shows. But this is the one that got him started. It's the one that started his channel. That's why this one's the OG. The other trucks, so I don't know what truck I'm taking yet. It really doesn't matter. All of his trucks are clean. We're still waiting on the guys. And then once the guys come, we're gonna go ahead and head out. We're kind of running pretty late. We should actually be there, or at least on the way, but it's cool. We're always late, and yeah, we'll see what we do. Like I said, Freddie's taking the King Cobra full race truck, so we'll see what we get. I'm sure we'll have a good time. We'll probably get some runs in Mexico or what? Oh damn, that'd be badass. Yeah, we'll see if we go to Mexico on the way, and yeah, let's see what we get into. trucks clean, I went ahead and cleaned the Charizard. Already finished the King Cobra. Got everybody here. And Senor Ketchup.
What's going on, bro? Hey, that's just nice.
Nah, it is nice. It's like much smaller. Like you can easily put it away.
Pocket, though.
Yeah. So we're gonna try it out, Ketchup, see how it is.
What's up, what's up? ¿Qué andamos?
El Mai,
So
or Alex.
What's up, bro?
What's up, playing? What's up, cool? Oh, what's Alright guys, we got the SS clone. I don't know what we're calling this one yet. It's a C10. But man, this guy's is clean. You ready, Alex? Which one you taking?
This one.
Damn, the black Shelby, eh?
Black Shelby.
¿Y usted, Mike, cuál se va a llevar?
Me voy a llevar la mamalona.
Ay, güey. Eso está con madre, Mike, ese color. Hey, ahorita que estaba medio nublado, era otro color.
Se ve más azul.
Ajá. Hombre.
Ya cuando le pega el sol se ve más verde.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, he just painted that truck. That truck's super clean. He did all the work on it. It's like a custom color. I want to say it's teal blue. It's really nice. Look at the wing, he did it. All this, guys, it looks super clean. The wheels. This is one of Freddy's trucks. Mr. Agustin painted for Freddy. But yeah, guys, super clean. Yeah, it looks really nice. Super sick color. We're all going, we're all getting ready, and then we're gonna head out.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I'm taking the SS clone. So this is the one I'm taking. I'm not taking that one. Woo. I'm happy I'm actually taking this truck, guys. Super clean truck. We're checking the gas on this thing. Oh, Freddy. Got it clean.
More than a half tank.
So I'm good?
We're like 3/4.
3/4?
Yeah.
Just probably top it off, huh?
I mean, yeah. Then you bring in like 10 gallons.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 85 for the King Cobra, so we can put some on this one, and we can have the rest for the King Cobra.
Alright. Go. And we took Damn.
Smells like odiando.
I don't believe that. Damn, bro, this bitch is clean.
It's good driving on the street.
Yeah, it looks badass.
Street truck.
Yeah, it's crazy, huh? All these trucks.
Fucking badass truck.
Hey, and they're all Freddy's.
Oh, see, bro.
Yeah, they're all Freddy's. I was telling them, damn, it's crazy with all these badass trucks and they're all yours.
La Shelby negra también va a ser mía. Now we're running for pinks.
Oh, damn. This truck is so fun. Man, like I said, I can't wait to get it turboed. Yeah, we're about to see some badass cars. It looks pretty packed, so hopefully we can get a spot. Damn guys, it's super packed. I don't think we'll be able to get to the main entrance. That's the main entrance right there. But yeah guys, it's really packed. There's a lot of people taking pictures of the trucks. It's crazy because this is more like a car thing. There's a bunch of exotics, but you know, it's different whenever you see some badass trucks, especially the way Freddie fixes them up. I mean, it's crazy. You don't see this type of stuff every day. Alright guys, we just got in here. We just parked the truck. Man guys, it's crazy packed in here. I don't know where the guys are at. We all kind of got separated when we started parking. I know Oscar's around here, but man, yeah, it's crazy packed guys. Hey, that was some good action, bro. That truck is quick.
You see when I took off when I parked and then we took off?
Yeah, that was badass.
Hey, why'd y'all park over there?
We didn't know we could go through here.
Who followed who?
First, I went in there first.
Oh, so it was Woody's fuck up.
It was Woody's fault.
Y'all went in there too? What?
No, we came straight over here.
Yeah, I mean, I found a parking spot.
So you're gonna have to pay to get out.
No, I ain't. Well, I used to work here, so I actually have a code.
For real?
Yeah. All I gotta do is scan it with my phone. What the hell, catch you?
We just say you're an employee.
Damn. Look, my car.
Damn.
Yeah, ketchup. That could be you.
He's boosted too. Alright guys, so the guys parked on the side. Hopefully they don't tell them to move. And man, dude, it's freaking packed here. Crazy. Yeah, badass cars everywhere. Alright guys, we're actually at Post Houston. Check this out guys. We're here with all the guys. Yeah, I actually worked here guys with the construction company that I work with. We did all the pipes here. Yeah, it's pretty cool to see it finished. Pero aquí es pura carta, man. No cash. Pura carta.
¿Oh sí? Ah, pues está bien.
Mira, estos cabrones van a venir a comer pura hamburguesa. Vamos a ver.
Ya ver.
We're gonna eat, Danny.
We're gonna eat a big old fat burger. We're hungry.
We're hungry.
¿De qué tacos venden aquí?
American tacos, ketchup.
Hey, tiene de este plástico.
¿Para qué se lo quitan?
No quiero que se raye.
Let me get the little protector first.
You like that one better, Woody?
Dude, it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier. Mira lo que tiene
I'm
que
gonna have to
cargar
replace
ketchup.
this with that shit too.
With the reels of the GoPro?
One eternity later.
Damn guys, it's already finished, but man, look at this trailer right here with all the cars. Man, that's crazy having a trailer like that with 3 exotic cars. What do you think, ready? One day?
One day. Damn, that shit looks sick.
It does. And they're all matching, red and black. Alright, so hopefully we catch some fun runs on the way. Freddy's got the King Cobra.
It's ready.
Yeah, guys, it's crazy because it was packed here. now it's empty. We went inside, got a bite to eat, came back out, it's empty. But man, definitely a show to come out in early. ¿Verdad, Vale?
Hell yeah.
You gotta come out early to the show to get a good spot. All right, the trucks are still there. Man, that truck just looks sick, right? Just sitting there. Hey, you gonna take it like that?
Yeah.
Damn, no hood, hoodless. You wanna put gas in it right now? Yeah. Alright guys, we actually got the fuel in the back of the SS Clone. Guys, man, this truck is something else. Like, driving this truck actually motivated me to get my truck going. I can't wait. Like I said, it's one of the meets you gotta come early. You know, it's cool to run with all your friends. Yeah, I just can't wait to get mine going, guys, honestly. So we're gonna go ahead and head back. Hopefully we can catch some fun runs on the way. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Damn, you left that truck like nothing. That was crazy.
It was sketchy, but we got his ass.
Hey, I brake boosted on that one with me and you, but you still left me like nothing.
I turned it up to todo. That shit was sketchy.
Bro, I saw you in my side mirror.
Holy.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're back home. Had an awesome time with all the crew. Big shout out to Freddie for letting me borrow his SS Clone. One awesome truck, definitely a good street truck for sure. It only motivated me more to get my truck done, my single cab. We're gonna put the wheels back on it and have it all ready to go. Like I said, I want it to be my track and street truck. So pretty much like what the SS Clone is. We're gonna definitely hit it hard after the holidays. Hope y'all are ready for the single cab to be out there on the street. Don't forget to shop www.bugatti.com. Get free shipping with using the promo code free ship. Definitely pick you up a shirt if you want a shirt like the one I'm wearing right now. Thank you guys. This is gonna be it for today. And like I said, if y'all like this content, it was all shot on the GoPro 11. Just pick you one up. I'm not sponsored by GoPro. This is not an ad for GoPro. I bought it with my money. I'm just trying to help one of you guys out that wants to start vlogging. So hopefully I liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.